Hello, I'm Seema Joshi. I'm from Mumbai and currently I'm working as a counselor with the company Brainseed Education Private Limited. Before even coming into this particular company, there was something which made me think about myself at a different level, with a different understanding and most importantly, a different acceptance of who I am. The thing which I'm going to talk about today is what you have come to listen and hear about, DMIT. I was told to do this particular DMIT test by one of my friend, Mr. Shashidhar Iyer, who suggested that this would certainly make a lot of difference to the person that I am today. And thanks to him, yes I am. Earlier, being associated with the education field as such, being a teacher, a person who trains teachers also to teach English, a person who has undertaken this particular classes for competitive exams like scholarships, UPSC, MPSC exams, as well as hotel management entrance exams. Certainly, being associated with so many kids for so long years of 12 years, I certainly was always on the lookout to find something wherein it will help the children to a larger extent. Children who are undergoing a lot of stress because they are not able to understand what and where things are going wrong. Even we as parents and also sometimes as teachers fail to understand what exactly is going wrong and the child is not able to grow up to its own capacities. Don't you think so? I did feel this. Doing DMIT test, I came to know certain things like what was the intelligence levels, whether you are a left brain person or a right brain person. It was a big surprise to me to know that I am a right brain person and therefore very definitely defines why I am so very creative in everything that I do. I came to know that the acquired skills of my speaking ability to project my thoughts to words was an acquired skill, which earlier I had assumed was an inborn capacity. Now this was a big surprise. A surprise that actually made me feel how important it is for us as parents, as teachers, to give our children a very beautiful environment, opportunities, activities, workshops, which are necessary for them to groom up all their beautiful, different intelligences and talents so that they can choose a career which is in alignment with their complete needs according to their inborn capacities. DMIT as such, if you see, would seem to be something of a, what would I say, an expensive one when you look at it, but when you look at the results that it has given, the change in the relationship equations between parent and a child, a husband and a wife, it certainly seems to be negligible. We spend so many lakhs of rupees for our children, for their education. So don't you think it is much more better to invest in something which is at the very root of their own existence, to know and understand and accept who I am. DMIT certainly has helped me understand better my own self. I would suggest that you also take up a DMIT test very strongly is my suggestion, because I have seen the changes in myself. I've seen the changes in my relationship with my kids and my husband. Certainly it is going to make a lot of difference even for the people who employ. And if this DMIT is done for their employees, you will be at a much more greater advantage because you would know what kind of a person you are hiring to do a particular kind of job. If it requires a creative side, a risk-taking capacity, and if the person is a left brain person, that's a logical person, you are in trouble. This will surely help you to understand and categorize your people, whom you are getting into. What kind of people are they? What kind of adjustments you can make? So DMIT test which can be taken certainly has helped me a lot, and I would suggest and request you kindly take it up to know a better you.